Navi Mumbai is the city of 21st century. Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation is progressive in the implementation of the MSW Rules 2016 and Swachh Bharat Mission guidelines effectively. NMMC has been facilitated and ranked by the Government of India often. Time and again, Navi Mumbai has been at par with excellence in the solid waste management and processing field, similar to its other civic services and administration. The Municipal Solid Waste Processing Plant is located in Thurbe, Navi Mumbai. This is a compost-based plant receiving an average of 750 TPD MSW. It includes two types of waste. First is dry waste and another is wet waste. Dry waste processing comprises waste of 400 TPD, which is processed in the Material Recovery Facility Unit (MRF). Dry waste is processed manually through mechanized conveyors in the MRF plant. Dry waste is sorted and recovered primarily into 7 categories, like coconut shell, average 40 to 45 TPD. Clothes, average 40 to 44 TPD. Paper, average 50 to 55 TPD. Glass bottle, average 60 to 65 TPD. Rubber and metal, average 30 to 35 TPD. Shoe and furniture, average 3 to 5 TPD. Plastic, average 25 to 30 TPD. Plastic waste process includes washing, drying and processing low-density plastic through a plastic cutting machine. The plastic is dried and aglo is made out of that plastic in aglo machine unit having a capacity of 3 TPD. The aglo in granular form is then sold to plastic recycling industries for reuse. Refuse-derived fuel (RDF) processing is done through 2 separate lines of 100 mm sieves, wherein these RDF material is sold to cement and oil industries. Further, rest of the material is crushed in shredders of 150 mm, 75 mm, 50 mm and 14 mm thermomills. 14 mm sized RDF material is also sold to cement plants in loose form and baled form derived from baling unit as well in average 3 TPD. As such, total average RDF generated is 100 TPD. 10% inert of dry waste goes to scientific landfill sites, which is an average of 30 to 35 TPD. Wet waste processing is for 350 TPD. It is processed by making windrows in 4 cycles for a total of 28 days by spraying culture. The culture is used for the fast decomposition of waste. After 28 days, 65 to 70% of the material loses its weight due to loss in moisture. Finally, windrows material is processed into compost plant by 3 types of screening systems: 50 mm, 25 mm and 4 mm. 4 mm and passing is the final compost product. An average of 35 to 40 TPD compost is produced. The compost is used in farming, nurseries and is also being used in NMMC gardens. 8% of inert of wet waste goes to the scientific landfill site, which is 25 to 30 TPD. Thus, total inert is about 18% goes to scientific landfill site. Lichet Treatment Plant LTP of 60,000 litres daily capacity is set up for the treatment of lichet that is discharged from waste windrows and also collected through the network in a scientific landfill site. After the treatment of lichet water, treated water is used for windrows and for gardening in landfill site plant area. NMMC aims to keep and maintain principle of 3 R's of water management: reduce, recycle and reuse. We start investing in a secure climate future right now by recycling, as we can change tomorrow today.